I will lower the opacity because this is loose watercolor paint, and remember what I told you. So I will mostly use Bo Oriental dry brush, Bo Opal brush, and Bo Perfect Color small. So for the stem I will use Bo Oriental dry brush, and I will grab this green color, and I'll just do like this. Increase the size. So once again this brush imitates these dry strokes. I will lower the size even more. Okay, cool. Next thing is I will go and grab Bo Opal brush. Actually Bo Perfect Color small. I will start with this brush. I will switch to another color palette. Grab this reddish color. And as you see, this color is so gentle, smooth. And first I want to just create some specific colors that I need for my painting. Now I want to add this purple color to these plants. So we've done with the first layer. Now we'll create one more layer on the top, and I will go and grab Bo Opal brush. I just want to add some edges, if you can say so, to our painting. Not everywhere, just in some parts. And I will grab Bo Oriental dry brush, the one that we used before. After that I will go and grab slightly darker color, lower the size, and I want to add some shades here. Now to blending tool and blend. Blending tool, increase the size here. Same here, reddish color, even darker. Like that. So guys, next step, I want to, as you remember what I did, I want to make the edges very sharp. How I'm gonna do that? I will merge together, duplicate the layer, go to lower layer, tap adjustments, hue, saturation, brightness, and turn it to maximum. Merge together, go to selection tool, tap automatic. Now I selected the right edges, feather 2%, and now lower the opacity, increase the brightness, I lower the opacity. As you remember, we removed the transparency, we made it less transparent. And I have one more layer underneath. So I'm gonna create some kind of frame. So as you see, I fill this layer with bluish color, maybe even lighter bluish, and it's in a new layer. After that, I will go grab selection tool, press rectangle, and I want to select this area like this. And after, I will press 3 fingers down and I will press cut. After that, I will grab white color, tap actions, add text, and I will write something like, let me think, like this: you are my flower. Ta-da! Guys, I hope you like this tutorial, and if you want to add more, some color variations or whatever, you might grab Terra layer brush or the other brushes for watercolor backgrounds. It is also very cool. You might keep it like this, or you might change the font, the color of this background layer to any other layers. For example, this one, and press fill layer, and now it will be like this. Guys, it's up to you. Use your imagination. Also select, maybe make it slightly lighter, fill layer. Now it looks way more better. So this is our loose watercolor painting. Guys, I hope you enjoyed my today's tutorial, and now